Hello everyone! In today's class we will perform an exercise about the simple present tense. This exercise will contain the answers, but try to solve it by yourself. You can pause the video during each exercise if you want. Let's start! The first exercise says, complete using the verb in parentheses. Here we have 5 sentences. Try to complete them by using the verb in parentheses. But be careful with the third person rules. If you want to know those rules, you can find a video in which I talk about them in the description. With that said, let's look at the answers to this exercise. Please repeat after me. Number 1. Monica eats steak. Number 2. Ted and Luisa eat steak. Number 3. Mike studies English every day. Number 4. Jason and John study English on Monday. Number 5. You and I drink coffee. Excellent! Let's continue. The next exercise says, complete the negative sentences and questions. Once again, here we have some sentences to complete. However, the sentences that don't have a verb in parentheses are because you have to fill in the gaps using an auxiliary verb. In number 4, you have to use the verb in parentheses and an auxiliary verb. I'll give you a couple of seconds. You can pause the video to solve the exercise. Let's see the answers. Please repeat after me. Number 1. I don't want to jump. Very good. Number 2. A shark doesn't lay eggs. Number 3. Where do kangaroos live? Number 4. What does he do? Number 5. Is that a spider? And number 6. It isn't my book. Very good. Now let's do another exercise. The instructions say which sentence is correct. Therefore, you have to choose the sentence that is written correctly. Let's read the first pair of sentences. Letter A. I works in a bank. Letter B. I work in a bank. What of those sentences is correct? Yes, it is letter B. I work in a bank. Let's continue. Letter A. He watching TV every evening. Letter B. He watches TV every evening. Which one is correct? Yes, it is letter B. He watches TV every evening. Let's continue. Here we have 2 more sentences. Let's read them. Letter A. The buses runs every half hour. Letter B. The buses run every half hour. Which sentence is correct? Yes, it is letter B. The buses run every half hour. Very good. Let's continue. Letter A. She walks to work. Letter B. She walking to work. Which one is correct? Yes, letter A is the correct one. It says, she walks to work. Very good. Here we have 2 more sentences. Letter A. He doesn't work on Sundays. Letter B. He doesn't work on Sundays. Which one is correct? Yes, it is letter B. He doesn't work on Sundays. Very good. And let's see two more sentences. Letter A. She don't work at Tesco. Letter B. She doesn't work at Tesco. Which one is correct? Yes, letter B is the correct one. She doesn't work at Tesco. Well done! Finally, you can practice the theory of the simple present tense in the following video. Subscribe for more content, thank you so much for watching, and see you next class.